Hi, this is Sherrie, REMAX Consultant Group, Toth Team at Apple Valley Lake, and I'm sitting under this beautiful covered porch right now at Moose Lodge 252. This is a property that we just listed today. You can find it on our website under featured listings, applevalleylakeohio.com. And it's listed at 2099. It sits on 1.3 wooded acres, and you feel like you're just like in this park, in this lodge, just like the name is so cute. But the cool thing is you're at Apple Valley Lake, right? So we will have first showings on this property Sunday, May 6th from 1 to 3. So if you have any interest, that's the first time that you can see it. So stop by, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. It's super cute. Any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is up there in the banner, and hope to see you Sunday. Thanks a lot.